Hey babe, I want to lick you like a melon.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I want to come over there and get you dirty.
Alright.
Yeah.
I want you to get me dirty.
Oh crap. Man, I want to come over there and just put some mud on you. You know what I'm saying? And just get you really dirty.
So we're gonna play in mud together?
You know what I was thinking?
Yeah,
Yo, compa. Yo, kom nog weer, kom hier.
born to become a lion. Ever since I was sure for sure I saw the world at the tip of my paws. As a boy never violent, put my 9 million